Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to find your national insurance number. This is really helpful if you've lost it and need it for work, tax, or any government related forms. If you've genuinely lost your national insurance number, the first thing you should do is check any documents that you might already have. So, for example, a 60 pay slip or any letters you've received about benefits. Your national insurance number is usually printed on those. So if you don't have access to those documents or you can't find them, you can also check your national insurance number online through the government website. So to do that, you'll need to go to the official page. I'll leave the link in the description below. So once you're on the page, scroll down and click Start Now. And you'll then need to sign in using your government gateway details. So that means your government gateway ID and your password. After logging in, you may be asked to confirm your identity using a text message or the HMRC app. So once you're signed in, your national insurance number should appear right at the top of the page. You can then make a note of it or save it for when you need it. If none of these questions work for you, the final option is to contact HMRC directly. They can help by sending your national insurance number to you by post. And that's it. It's really, really simple. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this video helpful, please give the video a like. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below.